Hello everyone, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited, and today I've got a really super cool car. This is a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro SS Convertible. So it's powered by the 6.2 liter V8, and this is an automatic transmission with the gear shift on the steering wheel as well. So it's not the manual, it's the automatic with this 6.2 liter. We'll do a walk around and startup of this vehicle. Like I said, it's a convertible, comes with the black with the white rally stripes, aftermarket wheels that look really cool. And I love this generation, just the open headlights. Look, I think a little bit more Camaro-esque than the more modern ones, the more newer ones. I just think it just looks kind of a little bit like the first gen, you know, the 67 through 69. Really super nice. Paint's in nice shape. It's leather interior. Top is in really good condition. It's got rear parking sensors. It's got the lip spoiler. The wheels stick out just a little bit. Oh, they're staggered. I see what's going on. That's a really nice touch. I'm not sure the brand of these wheels are, but they look really nice for this car. Okay, let's step on inside. Let's take a look at the door cards. Door cards look good. You got your trunk, power windows, locks, mirrors. It's got some Boston Acoustics stereo, leather seats, and they are powered seats. Of course, your lights are over here. Then you got dash lights over here. Your illumination on the steering wheel. It's kind of like all GM. You do have your cruise control on your right. And then you've got your information and audio and your Bluetooth on the right hand side. One thing I do like about this, usually Chevrolet, the writing is not that great, and usually they're rubbed off, and these are actually still in pretty good condition. Over here you got your Chevy Link. One thing I do like about the SS is your gauges down here. You got oil pressure, oil temp, you've got your trans temp, and then your voltage over here, your power supply, traction control. If you're not that experienced of a driver or don't trust yourself, maybe go ahead and leave that in on position. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Oh, sounds so good. It's got 92,074 miles on it. It says average vehicle speed is 23.5 miles an hour. I'm sure the next owner will change that. You do have your infotainment over here. You have your standard radio. You've got XM and all that good stuff. Climate control. It's all right here. AC is nice, especially on a day like today. Automatic transmission, and you got upshift and then downshift on this side. I'm going to turn the volume down just a little bit here. So for the top function, oh, I forgot the main, like this has heads-up display. So you do have a heads-up display here for your, and I'm not sure if you can pick that up. Yes, you can on the camera. You can go down, up, but that's going to tell you your degrees. It's 90 degrees outside right now, goodness, and then your miles per hour and all that good stuff. So that is where you adjust that. Your OnStar is right through the window, or through the mirror rather. That is something that you can activate if you are interested in that. And of course your courtesy lights, and then your lighting for the interior for when you open the doors and stuff. So to pop the top here, we're going to go like that, leave that like that, and then it's going to be in the back position. And then it's going to bong at me when it's all done. And it's all done. So then you have an open air car. Go ahead and step outside of it. Let's take a look at it with the top down. Looks good. So this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited, 2013 Chevrolet Camaro SS automatic drop top, triple black car, black top, black interior, black body. Really nice car, and it's available here right now at Auto Sales Unlimited, and we have financing options as well. Credit unions, national banks, lenders that work with bad credit and no credit. On certain inventory items, we do have in-house financing. Depends on just what you have as a down payment. If you have any questions, give us a call, 360-273-0711. That's our office. Put some comments down below. We'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Located in downtown Rochester, Washington. Really nice car, lots of summer left. Come out and take a look at this one. Thanks for watching.